Hi there and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering idioms, phrasal verbs, collocations and native-like expressions for business English. Whether you're a student, a working professional or an entrepreneur looking to improve your English skills for business success, Higher English is here to help and guide you every step of the way with our business English essentials. I'm Craig and today I've got a fantastic lesson in store for you. We're going to delve into the world of sports idioms, which will not only make you sound more like a native speaker, but they'll also boost your confidence in everyday conversations. So, let's dive right in. Our first idiom is on the ball. This expression originates from various ball games where being alert or having quick reflexes is crucial. If someone is on the ball, it means they are quick to react and knowledgeable, always ready to respond promptly. Sarah is always on the ball during team meetings, offering insightful ideas and solutions. Next up, we have stay ahead of the game. Imagine you're playing a sport and you want to maintain your lead. In everyday situations, if you stay ahead of the game, you're staying informed and prepared, giving yourself an advantage. You might also hear this in the IT industry, for example, as they're always trying to come up with the next big idea or product. In other words, to stay ahead of the game. To succeed in business, it's essential to stay ahead of the game by keeping up with industry trends. Now let's talk about plain sailing. This idiom originates from the smooth and uncomplicated experience of sailing on calm waters. In everyday terms, if something is plain sailing, it means it's easy and without difficulties. The project was challenging at first, but once we got the hang of it, it became plain sailing. Our next idiom is approaching the finishing line. In sports, reaching the finishing line signifies completing a race. In business, it means getting closer to completing a task or achieving a goal. With exams around the corner, students are approaching the finishing line of the academic year. Moving on to our next idiom, which is a two-horse race. Picture a race with only two competitors. In a broader sense, if a situation is described as a two-horse race, it means there are only two likely winners or two likely outcomes. The competition for the promotion is fierce, but it seems like a two-horse race between Jane and Mark. Let's take a look at our next idiom, and this is on the ropes. This phrase comes from boxing, where being on the ropes means you're in a vulnerable position. Your opponent is getting the better of you and it looks like you're going to lose. In business language, if someone is on the ropes, they are struggling or facing financial difficulties, for example. After a series of setbacks, the company is on the ropes financially. Score an own goal. In football, or you might call it soccer, scoring a goal against your team is a disastrous mistake. Thankfully, it doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it has some disastrous consequences. For example, my team lost when they scored an own goal late in the second half. In business terms, if you score an own goal, you unintentionally harm your own cause. By not signing the contract before the deadline, John realized that this could prove to be a massive own goal. A level playing field is next on our list. In sport, a level playing field ensures fairness. No one has an unfair advantage. In everyday situations or in business, if you want a level playing field, you want everyone to have equal chance or equal opportunities. The new company policies aim to create a level playing field for all employees regardless of their background. Next up is in a league of their own. This phrase originally refers to a sports team that outshines, outperforms, and is usually considered better than all the others. In a business context, if someone or something is in a league of their own, they are exceptional or unparalleled. When it comes to delivering a big presentation, Simon is really in a league of his own. No one else comes close. Last but not least, we have hit it out of the park. This comes from baseball, and hitting the ball out of the park is a home run. In business language, if you hit it out of the park, you achieve something extraordinary or excellence. The work that they put into the project was excellent. In fact, I'd say they hit this out of the park. That concludes our lesson on sports idioms. Remember, incorporating these expressions into your daily conversations will not only make you sound more fluent, but they'll also boost your confidence when you're speaking in English. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more idiomatic adventures, and if there are any sports idioms that you'd like to know more about, let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and bye for now.